If your nose is running like a faucet, you're a hot weather allergy sufferer. Allergy cases are spiking even in the heat. Why? Pollen, dust mites and mold spores don't take a vacation. They're out and about, triggering itchy eyes, sneezing and coughing. Unlike viral infections, allergies hang around longer and lack fever or body aches. Diagnosing allergies can be done with skin prick tests or blood tests. The key to relief? Avoid known allergens and use treatments like antihistamines or nasal sprays. Stay sneeze-free, folks.